Okay, let's go camping. We're at the KOA holiday. Southernmost KOA. Crystal just seen a big boat going in here. They do have a nice marina. That's a North Hotel. I sure didn't realize it was 2-story. That's pretty cool. Gotta watch the bumps here. 2-story lodging. Welcome to the Southernmost KOA. We'll take a little journey around. You got a nice little marina. We were just up on the bridge. They got some little pedal cars you can rent. They must have paddle boards too. There's definitely bicycles. Yeah. Putting the Freeman in. Yeah, this is my neighbor across the street. Putting a nice $1 million Freeman in.
Yep.
Okay. Take a little leisurely tour. Not quite full here, but close. They usually stay pretty full. There's another empty. I think what I'll do is go around the outside, circle back up here, or not. There's another empty, so they definitely got a few empties. Spring break's over. Spring break's over, hooray!
Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, baby G. Then here's the overflow parking. Tent camping. One of the 2 shower houses. Restrooms. There's another empty.
Burning the breakfast, huh?
Yeah, something's burning. So there's an open road. You see anything cool, be sure to point it out.
Oh, I will. Actually,
Oh, yep, got a golf cart here. Howdy. Got the KOA golf cart. Here's another one on the left.
You want me to look down this one?
No, next one. Go down the next one. I know just how to hit every road. There's another empty. How many empties there? 2. Them are pull-throughs there. I didn't realize these were 2-story complexes here. I gotta say, that's pretty cool. If you don't have a camper, just stay in the motel.
There's quite a few open spots.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they definitely got vacancy. I seen the one place running an ad for $99 campsites.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay, we haven't been down the 2nd Street, so there's a big pull through there.
Yeah.
Another one here. I like the ones with the brick patios. Them are the
There's
fancy
another one
ones. I should cut through one just for shits and giggles. Here's the KOA guy again. Yep. Okay, Crystal gave us permission to cut through one. Let's see, do we want to cut through this one? Here we go. Pretty nice one. Couple pull-throughs here. I was thinking the one with the brick patio was pretty cool. Right here's one. Got a brick patio. And okay. And look at this baby right here. Braid liner. That's a pretty one.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
Flames.
I like
It's
that
got
green.
flames. Look at him go, man. He should have his helmet on. Helmet time.
That's right.
Okay, I'm turning right again. Yeah, because we had one last street that we didn't go down. Yep, because the guy was coming down it. It was right here. There's that nice green one, man. That thing's cool. Okay, some more pull-throughs. National Park Foundation. They're nicely landscaped, I gotta say. And then they got the propane filling station, which is cool. I come down here and get my tanks filled. And you got that doggy pet playground, Camp Canine. And then you can tent camp. And now we're out of here. See you later, KOA. Evidently you can park out here a little bit too, if you need to.